Hello there, here's a quick walkthrough on how to install and activate iCheckout on your store easily. First, scroll down on the home page and click Get Started button. Fill in the form to create a free account, and once you click Sign Up, hit the Download button. Now navigate to the Plugins section and choose Add New. Upload the iCheckout, hit Install Now, and then activate plugin. Once you enter iCheckout, you'll see different sections, such as Dashboard Analytics Overview, Payments, Design Settings of Checkout, Mini Cart, Thank You Page, Upsell section, and Discounts. Set it up and get ready to boost your WooCommerce sales instantly.